Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the session on book review. Today we are going to review a book on execution titled Execution, the Discipline of Getting Things Done. It's right here. Authored by Larry Bossidy, Ram Charan. Larry Bossidy had been a former CEO and chairman at Honeywell International, and he has drawn from his own experience and listed out some of the best practices he used in this field. Ram Charan has been a top consultant who has been regularly interacting with the CEOs and the board of the Fortune 100 companies, and he has brought in his experience and interaction across these multiple companies and has tried to bring in the importance of execution along with the strategy. So what is this book all about? As the name suggests, it's about execution, and normally execution is attributed to operational teams, and what the authors try to convince, and they present a very strong case, is that execution is as important, if not more, than the listening exercise and the level of interaction and interest shown by the CEO, the board members and the top management need to be very evident and very strong. The authors use various examples to show how the good strategy can fail if not well executed, and how a good strategy needs to be reviewed and updated continuously to make it a success. And to do that, a strategy which is very important for the firm needs to have the buy-in and close interest shown by the top management, the CEO and the board. So how does they do that? The book is divided into three sections. Section 1 is about why execution is important, and the authors give various examples of why execution leads to why and how execution leads to success and how it can lead to failure even for a good strategy. In part 2, the authors list out the building blocks of execution. They identify 3 building blocks: the leader's behavior, creating the framework for cultural change, that's bringing that execution mindset, and the most important, having the right people and having CEO focus on recruiting the right people for the job. So that was about building blocks of execution. Section 3 is about 3 core processes of execution, which are the people process, the strategy process and the operational process. And the author linked all these 3 processes together to build a case for how these processes need to come together to build an organization focused on execution, and how such a focus will help the organization in achieving success. In the next review session, we'll be focusing on some of the examples used by the author. Thanks a lot for your attention. Bye.